Greetings from our channel, Natural Life Hacks again. Today, we're going to explore a subject that's both fascinating and helpful, the benefits of using clove water as a bedtime remedy. Cloves have been prized for ages because of their possible health benefits, and we are now bringing this age-old habit up to date. So prepare to discover the wonder of clove water by grabbing your favorite mug. From its application in Ayurveda to traditional Chinese medicines, cloves, these little fragrant flower buds, have a long history of usage in traditional medicine across many countries. For their ability to enhance well-being, cloves have long been prized. We are currently investigating the advantages of introducing cloves into our daily routine, adopting a strategy from the past. In today's video, we are going to talk about the amazing benefits of drinking clove water at night. We're thrilled to offer you not just one or two, but a plethora of reasons to think about including this elixir into your evening routine. We've got you covered with an extensive list of possible benefits that might completely change your evenings, from immune support to metabolism, from digestion to sleep quality. Professional advice should not be substituted by the information on this channel. Rather, it is meant primarily for educational and informative purposes. Since we are not medical experts, neither the diagnosis nor the course of treatment suggested on this channel should be taken as such. So, let's get started. Number 1, cardiovascular health, its capacity to reduce blood pressure and promote cardiovascular health accounts for clove water's possible heart health advantages. Clove water's active ingredients, such as eugenol, might function during the body's restorative phase if consumed at night, which may benefit heart health. Envision your body, especially your heart, recovering and revitalizing over the night. Adding clove water to your nightly ritual gives your body chemicals that have been shown to facilitate better circulation and reduce blood pressure. In the long run, this may result in less stress on the heart and a decreased chance of heart illness. One of the most important organs in your body, your heart, is actively supported when you incorporate clove water into your evening routine. Number 2, defense against cancer. Clove water's high antioxidant content and some anti-cancer chemicals like eugenol are thought to contribute to its possible cancer prevention benefits. The use of clove water prior to bedtime has the potential to mitigate oxidative stress and inflammation, two factors that are associated with the advancement of cancer. Envision your body in a constant state of combat with dangerous free radicals which have the ability to damage DNA and even cause cancer. Adding clove water to your evening ritual gives your body a powerful antioxidant dose that can help counteract these harmful chemicals. Furthermore, substances like eugenol have demonstrated potential in halting the development and spread of cancer cells. Regular use of clove water can help strengthen your body's natural defenses against this complicated disease and potentially reduce your risk of developing some forms of cancer over time. You are actively promoting your health and well-being by including clove water in your nightly routine, which will ultimately lower your risk of cancer. Number 3, digestive health. The production of digestive enzymes can be enhanced by clove water, which can lead to better digestive health. A food's ability to be absorbed into smaller components is greatly aided by enzymes. Clove water taken at night can increase the production of gastric juices and digestive enzymes like lipase, amylase, and protease because it contains active chemicals like eugenol. Carbs, proteins, and lipids are all easier to digest as a result. Take a hearty supper that consists of a variety of meals. You may help your digestive system process the various nutrients in your meal by drinking clove water afterward. Due to inadequate digestion, this may assist avoid uncomfortable, bloated, and indigestion-causing symptoms. Thus, you set a great tone for the day ahead when you wake up feeling lighter and more at ease. Number 4, it enhances better sleep. The relaxing qualities of clove water and its ability to promote relaxation can enhance the quality of your sleep. Warm clove water sipped before bed can establish a calming routine that helps your body and mind relaxes and get ready for a good night's sleep. Imagine yourself feeling a little restless or nervous as you wind down after a long day. You can give your body a mild dosage of calm by drinking a cup of clove water. Clove's fragrant components may have a slight calming effect which helps people feel peaceful and at ease. As a result, you might go to sleep more easily and experience less tossing and turning. By gradually incorporating clove water into your nightly routine, you may be able to create a healthy sleep pattern that will facilitate easier falling asleep and deeper, more restorative sleep. You're promoting your general well-being by emphasizing rest and relaxation when you embrace the soothing properties of clove water. Number 5, use for better metabolism. Your body's capacity to metabolize nutrients and sustain energy levels can be enhanced by the possible benefits of clove water for metabolism. Increased metabolic rate has been connected to the active ingredients in cloves, such as eugenol and caryophyllene. Clove water is a good choice since it contains chemicals that can activate metabolic processes overnight, assisting with nutrient digestion and energy consumption. During the night, your body continues to burn calories and carries out vital tasks when you drink a glass of clove water before bed. By ensuring that nutrients are efficiently transformed into energy instead of being stored as fat, the improved metabolism brought about by the clove water may facilitate these processes. Positive effects on managing weight and general vitality may result from this. A modest increase in metabolism over time may help you keep a healthy weight and feel more energized all day. Number 6, control of weight. Clove water's effects on hunger, metabolism, and digestion make it a promising weight management tool. Clove water before bed supports healthy digestion, may reduce cravings for late-night food, and increases metabolic activity even while you sleep, all of which can help with weight control. Consider attempting to control your weight by choosing your meals wisely all day long. You are adding a proactive component to your weight management plan by introducing clove water into your bedtime routine. Clove water can help your body process nutrients more efficiently by improving digestion and metabolism, which reduces the chance that extra calories will be stored as fat. Cloves may also have appetite-suppressing properties, which could reduce the need for late-night snacks. As time goes on, this habit might help promote a more balanced relationship with food and help people maintain a healthy weight. When you incorporate clove water into your evening routine, you're adopting a comprehensive strategy for managing your weight that goes beyond your daily regimen. Number 7, anti-inflammatory properties. Eugenol is one of the anti-inflammatory substances in clove water that may help lower inflammation in the body. Chronic illnesses such as arthritis and heart disease are associated with inflammation. Drinking clove water at night may enable these components to function during the body's natural repair and healing cycles. Suppose that you have painful muscles from exercise or that you have had a physically taxing day. The anti-inflammatory properties of clove water can help your body sleep through the night, reducing pain and speeding up the healing process. For those suffering from allergies or inflammatory bowel disease, this nocturnal anti-inflammatory activity may also be helpful, as it will help the body better control inflammation throughout the natural repair phase. Thus, incorporating clove water into your bedtime routine may help boost general well-being, and lead to a long-term reduction in health issues related to inflammation. Number 8, regulation of blood sugar. The ability of clove water to help control blood sugar levels can be extremely helpful, especially for people who are managing diabetes or who are worried about blood sugar swings at night. Having clove water at night may help improve blood sugar regulation while fasting. Let's say you have diabetes and you are aware of your blood sugar fluctuations. Your blood sugar levels as you sleep can be stabilized by consuming clove water in the evening. Eugenol and flavonoids, 2 of clove's active ingredients, may boost cells' absorption of glucose and insulin sensitivity. This could lead to more consistent blood sugar levels throughout the night, which lowers the possibility of harmful spikes or crashes. Clove water can help manage your diabetes and promote metabolic health in general over time, so you can feel more confident about your evening well-being. Add it to your nightly routine. Keep in mind that while clove water has some encouraging qualities, everyone's reaction will be different. It is best to speak with a healthcare provider before making any big dietary changes, particularly if you are taking medication or have underlying medical conditions. Clove water can help you live a happier and more energetic life if you include it in your bedtime routine, mindfully and in moderation. We appreciate you coming along as we explore the health advantages of clove water at night. Cheers to your health and happiness. Give us thumbs up and tell your friends about this video if you thought it was entertaining and educational. As always, to ensure that you don't miss our newest videos, subscribe and click the notification bell. We appreciate your time and we'll see you in the next video.